Welcome to the market report for Thursday, August 29, 2013. Today we saw some German unemployment numbers released. Those data actually moved the market, and we'll take a look at that chart in a short while. Later in the North American session, we have German CPI numbers expected. Those also have the potential to move the market. And then, of course, in the U.S. session, we have our weekly claims numbers, and we have U.S. GDP numbers expected to print around 2.2%. Let's go ahead and take a look at those charts. German unemployment came in worse than expected at plus 7,000. Here on this 5-minute euro-dollar chart, we can see that the euro reached its daily lows right around the time of the release. And as we talk, we can see that the euro is moving to fresh intraday lows here, down to the 132.50 level. Let's go ahead and take a look at euro sterling. We can see this daily bar here continues yesterday's selling pressure on the euro sterling cross. What's very interesting to us is that when we take a look, we can see that the euro sterling cross rate for today was capped right ahead of a major resistance level, which came in at 85.95. And we can see that a major support line is about to be tested right around 85.39. This is proof that technical analysis actually does work. Yesterday in our market report, we talked about event risk to the British pound, as Bank of England Governor Carney was going to speak about the new UK interest rate policy. Carney's remarks actually came in a little bit more hawkish than expected, and the British pound moved higher yesterday. We can see, though, that the pound is under pressure against the US dollar. It was capped right around this moving average today, and this major support line, retracement line, that it may test is right around the 154.81 level. Another chart we're keeping our eyes on today is the EUR-AUD chart. This happens to be a daily chart of that cross rate. We can see that the euro has moved lower against the Aussie, and when we take a look at some analysis, we can see that today's intraday low is right around the 38.2% retracement level of this recent range. So let's keep our eyes on that rate. The Dow Industrials is at a major level here. It's at 14,719, this 50% retracement line. That's only about 100 points lower than where we currently are. It may actually test this level today or tomorrow before the end of the month. Finally, we talked earlier about Bank of Austria Governor Nowotny speaking earlier today about central banks. In fact, what Nowotny said is that central banks should not be involved in FX interventions like the Swiss bank is. He was very critical of the Swiss bank, and what we saw here is exactly when he spoke, the euro-Swiss franc reached its lowest intraday level and then moved higher. We don't know if Nowotny had on a position or if he was just talking in general, but one thing is for sure. The euro against the Swiss franc moved to intraday highs after his remark. Thank you for watching our market focus video.